Won't reopen to in-person learning until September. Premier Doug Ford saying that modeling showed thousands of new cases would arise as a result of reopening schools before more teachers and students could be vaccinated. Jason Bradshaw joins me now to discuss this. He is a secondary school science teacher for the Peel District School Board in Ontario's Greater Toronto area. Thanks for joining us this morning, Jason.
Good morning.
All right, so give us your first reaction to this decision to keep schools closed until September. Do you think it's a good idea?
I think that ultimately it is a good idea, and I wasn't surprised by the decision. I think that a lot of us saw it coming, especially for myself. I work and live in Peel region, which is a hotspot. So we know that although the numbers are starting to go down, we still have a lot of cases here, and we still have a pretty high positivity rate. And I think it was just really an expected outcome, even though it's not what many people wanted, I understand.
And let's talk about the risks or the benefits to keeping kids out of school for the rest of the school year.
Well, I think it wasn't worth the risk to send kids back for just a few weeks of school. And I completely understand how important it is for their mental health to be among their peers and to be back in a school building. But we do have to remember that even if they did go back, they wouldn't have been going back to normal routines. There still would have been the social distancing, the mask wearing, no extracurriculars. And we do have to acknowledge that it's not a fantasy or a romanticized version of what school usually is.
All right, and as a teacher, are you at all concerned that kids and teachers might not be fully vaccinated in time for the 2021-22 school year?
That has been a concern of mine. I've been encouraged a lot recently because of the accelerated rate of the vaccination, and it does look like the second doses are going to be happening more quickly. I hope that the province does decide to prioritize hotspots such as Peel region, because it does make sense to me to focus on where the greatest infection rate is occurring.
And I'm just curious, what are you hearing from parents and students about all of this?
Well, I teach high school, so my students are older teenagers. They're pretty mature and responsible, and they understand why they have been asked to keep learning online. So they've been pretty positive about this outcome. I understand that many parents are disappointed, especially the parents of younger children. I realize it can be difficult for younger children to understand why they have to make the sacrifice of staying home and not seeing their friends. But I think that by and large, most people have been pretty understanding that it's not something that any of us wants, but it's something that is for the greater good.
Absolutely. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time this morning. That is Jason Bradshaw, secondary school science teacher and Peel District School Board. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.